A4 paper like this. So you can see a triangle formed. So you're going to slowly make the fold. Sometimes you'll get some difficulties where the fold will not be correct and you can see a flat end, but there should be a sharp end like this, just like that. So now you'll see an extra piece of paper, this rectangle. Now for that you'll have to cut it out with scissors. Please do this with adult supervision. Now you see I've cut out the paper out. So now you'll get a perfect square. Of course, it will be smaller than the normal origami size you'll get, but it depends on the size of the square. If you do the paper with this size, you'll get a big butterfly. If you do it with this kind of origami paper, you'll get it in this size. You can also do this with color paper, but now I'm going to show you how to do it with origami paper. So the origami paper I'm using is from Daiso, and I've used designing paper. Please know this video is not sponsored by Daiso. So I've picked this beautiful purple design. So now we're going to start to make a beautiful origami fox. The first we're going to do is the same basic steps we did yesterday for the butterfly. We're going to position the origami paper in a diamond like this, and you're going to fold it in half to make a triangle. Fun fact, half of a diamond forms a triangle. Now you see we have formed a triangle. So when you open the triangle, you'll see a line, or it's called a crease. So now we are going to turn like this to make the other diamond. So when you're turning, make sure the line is vertical so you can make a fold like this from front to back. So you're going to make another half fold like this to form another triangle. So now when you open the fold, you'll get a crease or a line that forms a plus. So now what you're going to So now we'll make the second half fold. To make that, make sure the crease or the line is vertical so you can fold it like this. So we're going to fold it from front to back like this. We're going to make the fold. So now when you open the fold, you'll see the crease in a plus. So now you're going to keep this fold, and what you're going to do is you're going to flip it like this, or for you like this. And now we are going to take this edge of the triangle and fold it like this. We are going to do the same thing here in this side, and we're going to take the fold and fold like this. Now we have a diamond, a small diamond. So you can see the two flaps are folded like this. So we are going to call this the open side. So now with the open side like this, we are going to flip the diamond. So you'll have the diamond like this. Now we're going to fold it like this backwards. So now here you can see the three flaps. The three flaps should always be on the right side when you're doing this. Now we have like three flaps here, as I've told. So now we're going to turn the triangle like this. So now we've made this fold for the two flaps. So now we're going to position the diamond like this and flip it like this. So now we're going to fold it in half backwards. So when you fold it in half, you can see in the right side of your triangle, there will be three open flaps. Remember, there should be open flaps and not folded flaps like this. So now what you're going to do again, you're going to flip it backwards and you're going to position it just like this. So now you can see 3 flaps to this side. So you're going to take the first flap here, and you can see this middle point of the triangle. You're going to fold it like this. This is a hard step, so watch carefully. We're going to take this flap here. There will be 2 other flaps left, so only take the first. Then fold it like this, where there will only be half, and do not overfold to this side. So it will be on the fold of the perfect half of the triangle. So it will turn out like this. Now for some of you it might come like this, so that will be wrong and the measurement might come wrong. So make sure it will be folded like this. Now what we are going to do is a small nose for the triangle, for the fox. For that you are going to take the middle flap. You will notice that in the middle flap there will be 2 flaps, there will be 1 more flap inside. That is perfectly normal. You do not need to think that's wrong and remake the fox. So now this is also a very hard step, so watch carefully. We are going to take the second flap and we are going to put our index finger inside the flap. Do not put it inside the first flap here, put it inside both the flaps here. Put that like that and bring it like this. So when you bring it like this, you will notice that one side or half side of the flap will go like this and the other half will be split like this. So fold this side like this. And now you will notice there is a triangle here. So you are going to just flatten it like that. As shown, you will just flatten it like that. It is very easy. So now you've got your fox ears, your nose. And now we are going to make the final step, which is the tail. For the tail, you are going to take this end of the triangle and it is very easy. You are just going to fold it like this. You are going to make the fold a bit more hard because it is a thick paper since you've made a lot of folds. Now you've made your beautiful fox. Now we are going to draw the fox's eyes and nose. For that, I would recommend a black pen, but of course you can use any pen. Now I am just going to form a semicircle here on the tip of its nose, and I am going to color it. So now we are going to draw the eyes. For drawing the eyes, we are just going to make semicircle like this. This is a choice, but if you want, you can thicken these lines. And now you've got your cute fox. Ta-da! You can also make it stand. Just like this. I have made lots of these because they are quite addicting and very fun to make. These are very addictive and very good activities to lessen your device time. You can go and find yesterday's inauguration of day 1 camp to find how to make this origami butterfly. It was gone live on 10 o'clock yesterday's Facebook live, but you can watch on Facebook or in this YouTube channel also. Again, as I say, Bundles of Joy is a very great workshop and it is very great to lessen your device time. Of course, you will ask, this is only online, but we can only do it online, but there will be very much and different types of activities like origami, crocheting, art, drawing and many more. Please watch and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment down below for any new suggestions. Bye and I hope you enjoy. Signing off is Akshaya Mahesh, your little camp director.